Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Genta Ilahi Pratama. I took the topic Zealandia. Let's continue in the Pacific Ocean mapping for the first time. Each set of this emanation continue with in action Gray was believed to be halfway around the world. That explorer named Abel Tasman explored the Pacific Ocean and discovered a new land on 1642 islands that were now known as New Zealand. It took 375 years later to confirm that and continue Zealandia really existed. Although much of the continent is now invisible to the naked because of the continent is underwater. Now, a new study has completed the definition map of Zealandia, or as it is known in Maori, the Rio Mount. In a study published in Technology Social from GNS Social in New Zealand, have created a map containing the borders of Zealandia in detail thanks to rock samples from the seafloor. The continued history is linked to Gondwana, an ancient supercontinent that broke apart hundreds of millions of years ago and created the continent we know today. Zealandia started about 10 of millions of years ago, but unlike neighboring continent Antarctica or Ocean, much of in theory is submerged. The only land masses left on the surface are the islands that are part of the country of New Zealand, the French territory of New Caledonia, and the Australia-controlled territory of Lord Howe Island and Bald Pyramid. Because it is under the sea, research related to the Zealandia continent is limited, causing inconsistency about its shape and borders. Until now, only the short-term part of the continent has been mapped. With new reception, let's be geologist Nick Mortimer, two-thirds of the long area had now been defined and existing maps have been refined. Those geologic mapping from land the continent of Zealandia, covering an area of 5 million kilometers, is now completed. The studies to do so, a team of geologists and seismology has studied rock and sediment samples collected on the seafloor, mostly from drilling, as well as specimens that appear on the edges of islands in the region. Basalt, black igneous rock from volcanic lava, sandstone, and gravel were analyzed and dated. The sand from the sandstone data back to the Apen created from well basin in recorded from the ancient area. This result combination with regional magnetic anomaly data and information from the study experience to unravel the mystery of Zealandia. The lost continue the of Pacific and Ocean continue covering an area of millions of square kilometers was referred to exist February 2007. Since then, scientists have been trying to uncover Zealandia. Words collected include New Zealand, New Caledonia, several territories and islands. The discovery of microscopic shellfish of organisms living in warm shallow water and sporen and pollen from land plants reveal that Zealandia geography and climate were dramatically different in the past. Professor Gerald Dicker from Reed University told The Guardian during the expedition the researchers derived methods of folklore at 6 different locations on Zealandia. Those sedimentary core were the collection to show evidence of tectonic and ecology carried over millions of years. The sediment core is like a time machine to us, allowing us to go back in time, said Stephen Parker, a researcher about the drilling process. Great discovery. Professor Rupert Sutherland from Victoria University said the expedition had uncovered major geography change. Extension of Zealandia has been debated by a number of sources in the last 20 years. The name was coined by geography and oceanography. Branch Luyendik at 1995. However, when Zealandia was published in the Geography Social of America, they were began to recognize the smell continue. Two outdoor Nick Mortimer said the paper publication in February was indeed a feat, but it was nothing new for many geologists. However, when Zealandia was published in the Geology Social of America, the world began to recognize the small continue. Joe Auten Nick Mortimer said the paper publication in February was indeed a feat, but it was nothing new for many geologists. Previously, New Zealandia and New Caledonia were grouped with Australia called Australasia. Stephen Parker said in scheduled to go on expedition around New Zealand, Australia, and Antarctica next year. Researchers revealed Zealandia first long continue found submerged the continent long hidden under the sea. Challenge Zealandia or the Riu a mountain Maori is beyond New Zealandia. To uncover further, the researcher the conducted an ocean mapping expedition to draw the boundary of the continent of Zealandia to make it more clearly visible. The continent of Zealandia will see the shape of the ocean floor clearly with detailed mapping. This detailed mapping can provide New Zealand tectonic knowledge and can help track the origin of Zealandia. We have created this map to provide an accurate, complete, and picture of the geography of New Zealand and the Southwest Pacific region, better than we have ever has before. Dr. Nick Martin said the continent is also referred to as Zealandia or to in the Maori language, the indigenous people of New Zealand in the year 1900 and 9 Island. The continent Zealandia was first discovered by penguin ancestors lived on a lost continent. About 50 million years ago, the long continent called Zealandia sent into the ocean. Only a small part of the continent still exists, which is now the country of New Zealand. But before Hamas acquaintance and before Zealandia disappeared, they were crowned to that already Roman tree, namely ancient penguins. The penguin is even said to be the ancestor of a modern penguin that exists today. Society letter identification is at a previously unknown species of crested penguin and name is Eudistes etuti. Prevision research only identification the existence of crested penguin in the New Zealand until about 7,000 years ago.